So guys, if you have submitted the form to sponsor your parents under the PGP, that is the Parents and Grandparents program, where your parents or your grandparents get a Canadian PR, then this is the video you must be watching, because the lottery system that was opened for 2020 is now in action. Canada has finally released a new notification on the lottery draws and a news about the 2021 draw or the lottery that is going to happen. Please watch this video till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I practice here inside Ontario, Canada. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Kindly feel free to schedule a consultation and I would be more than happy to help you. Guys, before we start this video, I just want to let you know that if you're watching me for the first time and this video for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so that every time we release a new video on Canadian immigration or a program or a delivery related update, then you are the first one who gets a notification. So guys, we are discussing the very famous and very important PGP program, which is the Parents and Grandparents sponsorship for the 2021 and 2020 intakes that were recently announced. Guys, this the program category forms a part of the family class sponsorship, which essentially offers a permanent residence to the person who's being sponsored. And in this particular program, it is about your parents and your grandparents. So as we all know that in the year 2020, the IRCC had actually opened a particular lottery system where eligible sponsors will submit the names of their parents and themselves, and if in this lottery they are invited, then they can go ahead and submit their sponsorship for their parents. Okay, so now that happened in 2021, and there was supposed to be a lottery draw that was supposed to happen back in 2020, but all of that got delayed because of COVID-19. And now as we are in the month of January 2021, the IRCC has finally started rolling out that lottery. They're taking out that particular lottery, and in the next coming 10 days, okay, they will be drawing out those names. A total of 10,000 names have to be taken out in the days to come, and they are going to do that in a phased out manner, they said. So over the course of the next 10 days, you can expect a lot of people to be invited under the PGP program. So if you as a Canadian resident or a citizen have submitted name to sponsor your parents or grandparents, keep an eye out on your email, because they will be sending that invitation on the email that you had entered. Now, this particular draw, the 10,000 people are going to form a part of the 10,000 applicants of the year 2020. But when it comes to the year 2021, the IRCC expects to invite 30,000 applications. They are going to open this particular slot where you can submit your sponsorship pretty soon in the first half of 2021. So please be tuned. If you missed the bus in 2020, or if you were not eligible, but in 2021 you want to submit that particular intent to sponsor your particular parents and grandparents. So guys, just to give you a quick recap on what are the eligibility factors for sponsoring your parents and grandparents. The first one is that you should be over the age of 18. You should be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. You should meet the minimum income level criteria for the past 3 years. And then you should also remember that the undertaking to take care of your parents' financial needs and support is an undertaking for the next 20 years. So all of these are the criteria. You need to sign an undertaking. All of these are the criteria that are important and required for the PGP program as a sponsor. And then once you're eligible, you can simply go ahead and sponsor your parents or grandparents, and they can very well be a part of your Canadian resident family in the times to come. Guys, I hope you have all the information you need for this particular program. But if you need to speak to me, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Kindly feel free to schedule a consultation with me, and I would be more than happy to speak to you. Once again, I hope to see you soon in Canada, and all the best.